Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. So today I want to show you how to connect the Magic Trackpad to the Apple Vision Pro. So I have a Magic Trackpad here. So first thing you want to do is make sure it is fully charged. That's always the first thing you want to do. Then you want to make sure that it is turned on by clicking over here. And then you want to go to your settings on your Apple Vision Pro. Now I'm just going to double check. I just updated this to Vision OS 2.3. Okay, and now I want to go to Bluetooth. And since the trackpad is on, it should be, and there we go. And voila, it is connected. So let's test it out just to make sure. Yep, scrolling. Let's try on a web page. And the clicks work just fine. And you can see this little cursor that comes up as well when you are when you're using the trackpad. So that's just a nice visual cue to let you know that you're using trackpad. All right, thanks for watching.